Hey, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel for your daily BTC update. I'm Trader AAG, and we're here to unpack the latest happenings in the world of Bitcoin. Let's jump straight into it. The BTC market has been quite a ride lately, with significant developments taking place. Right now, all eyes are on the support levels as Bitcoin is putting them to the test on the weekly chart. This is a crucial moment, and the implications are significant. If we take a look at the weekly chart, we can see a pivotal level that's under scrutiny. Should this level break, brace yourselves for a potential drop towards the next support zone lying between $17,620 and $19,000. Turning our attention to both the daily and weekly charts, it's impossible to ignore the importance of the $25,350 mark. This level acts as a critical support, and it's a battleground that the bulls must fiercely defend. As we navigate these market movements, it's essential to exercise caution. Remember to keep your stop-loss tight in all your transactions, helping you manage risk effectively. The crypto landscape is known for its unpredictability, and these recent developments highlight the need for careful analysis and strategic planning. And that's a wrap for today's BTC update. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future updates. Thanks for tuning in, Crypto Explorers. Stay informed, stay curious, and until next time, happy trading.